Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I have an American lock here I haven't picked yet, which is an American lock series 100, and this you've got the original Jungkunk Brothers keys on here, and just look how sharp these are. This actually feels sharp on my fingers. I'm not sure this lock's ever been actually used. I think it might actually be a like a new old stock. I mean, it's a little bit corroded, but I don't think that doesn't. Everything about this just feels like it's new. It does have an incredibly hard core spring though, and a very long shackle. But yeah, the key, get that out, is not bad bitting actually. Got, I think, like almost a zero lift at the end. I think you just have to nudge it, then some high, medium, high, and then it goes down to sort of a medium cut. So just a 5-pin American lock, but what a really nice vintage lock. Yeah, really like this one. I think it's a hardened steel one as well. Cool. Let's put this in a vise. Right, see you in a sec. So we're in the vise, and this lock is so hard to even open with the key, with the shackle closed. It's okay with the shackle open, but don't pick it like that. And it's even hard to withdraw the key. Looks pretty new actually. I've got a piece and gem in, not a sponsor, in 18 thousandths, and the top of the key weight turner in 1.3 millimeters. And even getting tension on this can be tricky. So that's 5, nothing. 4, nice click, nothing on 3. Little click on 2. Nothing on 1, back to the back. 5 now is still springy. 4 is binding still. 4, 3, 2 gave me another little click. And I don't think anything on 1. Maybe a little click on 1. 5, 4 now. 3, little click. 2. Nothing. Back to 5, 4. Wasn't happy with 3 there. 3, 2, and 1. This lock is really tricky for no good reason. Trying to gently get up on these pins can be so tricky. I don't know why. Three, 2 there. Nothing so much on 1. 5, 4. 3, 2, again a 1. So it feels like we are back on not 4. A little click on 3. 2 and a bit more core movement, which felt good. Tiny click on 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's check 1. Okay, so oh, we got it. Oh, that's hard. Look how hard this is. You hear that? Wow. I wonder what's going on inside there. Let's see if we can gut this and have a bit of a look. Really interested to know why that is so hard to turn. Unless I've somehow forced... don't know what could have happened there. Let's have a look. Get that plug out now? Almost. There, right, should be able to. I've got the key, so I can just turn this back a bit, I think. There we go. Pull that out. Ooh, that's very greasy in there. Very, very unsure what's happening. Oh no, not another one. This is like that American Lock 260. I can't gut this, and this is another one which is super hard to turn as well. They have these like little stops at the back. I was really hoping to gut this one as well. Never opened the Series 100 before, and I can't tell what's going on. That feels really good, but as soon as you put it inside this lock and close this up, I mean, there's a lot of like old grease and stuff on it, but then that just becomes so much harder to turn. So I don't know really what's going on there, but yeah, that's unpleasant. Beautiful lock though, but I can't gut it. Can you see how you've got a stop there and a stop there? And I don't know how to drive these pins out without damaging the lock and being able to put it all back together. So that's a bit of a shame, but I could tell that there was some kind of serrated pins in there for sure. Probably much like a standard modern day American lock, but yeah, it's a bit of a shame I can't gut this any further. But what a lovely lock. I hope you agree. If you do like this lock, please leave a like. If you have any comments about it, then please leave your comments down below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, then please subscribe, hit the notification bell. All really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.